What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Alpha Auto Adventures video. Today I'm just going to be doing a few different random things. I got to check the, I guess the wheel bolt type, see what the backing is, see if I need to get some like aftermarket ones for the new wheels, do some test fitment. I want to apply the ceramic coat onto the new wheels. And we'll see if I do everything in one video or probably break it up into a few. So first I want to check the bolts and maybe get the wheel off and do a test fitment. So we'll start with that. I like how they keep everything nice and protected. Do an exam, make sure it's looking good, but either way, because these are custom, that you can't really return these anyways, so they better fucking fit, right? Alright, so obviously here are the stock wheels. My plan is to run the winter tires on these eventually, and for the rest of the season to put this tread on the new wheels for at least another season, and then I'll have to get some new ones because the rears are definitely beat up, but I think I can make them last for the rest of the summer. So I bought a non-scarring, this is kind of like a polymer, if you will, so just to protect the new wheels and these ones. And then this is a guiding pin for the install. So there's a little arrow here that tells me where the mounting or the jack point is, and there's a nice like plastic. Let's see where it is. Right here, right there. There you go. of looks small without the tire, without the rubber, with it raised like that. But design looks pretty dope.